Best cryptocurrency to invest 2022 for beginners. If you need the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2022, you're at the right place. Here are the best 8 cryptocurrencies you'll purchase and hold for 2022. One cannot deny the truth that cryptocurrency is one of the foremost unstable markets, however, is one of the fastest moving markets. The year 2021 has been one of a kind for cryptocurrencies because the cryptocurrency showcase has seen a roller coaster ride. A few cryptocurrencies made unfathomable picks up while a few busted greatly. Considering such instability, what 2022 has in store for these computerized monetary forms is something that all the financial specialists are looking forward to. On that note, look at the best 8 best long-term cryptocurrencies to purchase and hold in 2022. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the ruler of all cryptocurrencies, administering the whole crypto showcase. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency made in 2009 by a mysterious bunch beneath the title, Satoshi Nakamoto. Like most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, which could be an arrangement of thousands of computers that confirms exchanges. Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain is an open-source open blockchain, and it has empowered the end user to run a custom code with its shrewd contract include. Ethereum blockchain has its crypto called Ether. Ether is the fuel of the arrangement that employments it within the shape of installment or execution expenses of any exchange. The blockchain intentioned employments cryptocurrency to maintain a strategic distance from inefficient code and stay chain solid. Litecoin. The third coin on the list is Litecoin, nearly indistinguishable from Bitcoin, but for a few minor changes. It's an open-source and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. 2. It can be utilized as a script-based agreement arrangement that creates it diverse from Bitcoin's mechanism. It is one of the leading long-term cryptocurrencies to purchase and hold in 2022. Cardano. Cardano is touted as the environmentally friendly cryptocurrency because it points to dodge the energy-intensive parts of the mining handle scene with Bitcoin. It is the huge primary cryptocurrency that's based on the proof-of-stake demonstration. This demonstrates permits proprietors to stake coins and make their possess validator hubs. Solana. Created to assist decentralized control fund, DeFi, employments, decentralized apps, dApps, and keen contracts, Solana runs on a one-of-a-kind crossbreed proof-of-stake and proof-of-history components that offer assistance, and it prepares exchanges rapidly and safely. Solana's local token, powers the stage. 6. Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the foremost well-known cryptocurrencies on the crypto market. The Polkadot range offers more expenses and higher speeds than other cryptocurrencies, making it a #1 choice for crypto investors. Polkadot is maybe the leading of the rest when it comes to versatility. Tether. Tether is valuable for crypto financial specialists since it offers a way to dodge the extraordinary instability of other cryptocurrencies. This makes liquidity for trade stages, makes no-cost exit procedures for speculators, and includes adaptability and solidness to investors' portfolios. It is one of the finest long-term cryptocurrencies to purchase and hold in 2022. Terra. Terra could be a blockchain installment stage for stablecoins that depends on keeping an adjustment between two sorts of cryptocurrencies. Terra-backed stablecoins, such as Terra USD, are tied to the esteem of physical monetary forms. Their counterweight, Luna, powers the Terra stage and is utilized to mint more Terra stable coins. And with that being said, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos just like this one. This has been Nuezy. Thanks for watching.